In this session, let us see a simple example of using HTML. Already we have created this demo.html. Now let us add the coding. What is the first line in any HTML page? To specify to the browser that this is a HTML5 document, you need this doc type. So it is angle bracket, exclamatory mark, doc type, space HTML. Then you need to add the HTML tag. This is the root tag of any HTML page, within which you will have a head tag. Inside the head, you need to have the title. Already we have discussed this head can have few child tags like meta, script, style. Because we are not going to do any styling or scripting as of now, we just need the title part. I have given the title. Next to the head, we need to have the body tag. Inside the body tag, we have to write the content. Since we have not seen any formatting tag, let me add a simple content. Hello world and welcome to HTML. Now I am saving this. How to run this file? You can directly open this page in the browser because this will be saved in the browser icon only. Let me show you that. So this is the HTML5 folder which I have got, wherein we have saved demo.html. You can see that it is having the browser icon. So directly you can open it. When you double click, automatically it will open in the corresponding browser. I have got Chrome, so it will open in Chrome. Or you come to Sublime. In Sublime, right click, open in browser. Click that. You have got the output. See the title of this web page, a simple example. And you have got the output, hello world and welcome to HTML. Let me minimize the size of this browser. Now I have got the browser and Sublime text side by side. Demo.html file is shown over here and the output is shown in the browser. The title is shown as a simple example and the output gets rendered properly in the browser. Hello world and welcome to HTML. But if you see in your HTML file, you have written hello world in one line and welcome to HTML in the next line. You have given a line break in the HTML file, but the browser will not take any line break. If you want to give a line break, then you need to go in for this BR tag. BR will give a line break and it will come to the next line automatically. So you will be learning about more tags like BR and how to use basic formatting tags like bold, italic and heading in the next session. One more thing I would like to specify about this HTML part. Here I have written all the coding by myself. What if I want to have the basic template? For that, I will just tell you a shortcut. I will remove the complete coding. I have selected the code. Let me delete it. Now, just give angle bracket HTML and press enter. Automatically, you will get the template. Now, I will minimize this. Here, I will just change the title to basic demo and here, have a good day. I am saving this. I'll come back to the browser. I don't have to say right click open in browser. Let me reload the page directly. Now you can see the output. The output gets changed in the browser. On the top you can see basic demo and it is rendering the output as have a good day. So you can have your browser and your Sublime text side by side and you can work very easily. So this is all about how to create a simple example using HTML. In the next session, let us see the basic formatting tags of HTML. Thank you.